Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Serie A in UK. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our browser. Now, once we open our browser, on the search bar, we're going to search for how to watch Serie A in UK and then click on enter. After you do that, you should be able to see the platforms where you can watch Serie A. So as you can see right here, we have DAZN and BBC Alba. So all you have to do is to choose your platform. And let's say, for example, that you have chosen DAZN. So we're going to search for it and then add Serie A. After that, we're going to click on enter. And then after that, we're going to click on this link right here. So once you click it, what we're going to do next is to, of course, click on accept right here. And then just scroll down and then look for Serie A matches. So once you click on Serie A matches, you will now be redirected into this part. So what we're going to do next is to, of course, log in into our account. So if you don't have an account yet, we'll have to click on sign up. So we're going to click on sign up right there and then just choose the subscription that you want to avail. So I'm just going to click with standard right here and then just choose the one that you prefer and then click on continue. After that, you'll have to log in or sign up through your account. So it could be email, Google, Facebook, Apple, and FIFA ID. So I'm just going to continue with my email right here. And then I'm going to click on continue. After that, we're going to put our first name, our last name, and then we're going to put our password. And then we're going to click on continue. After that, you will now be redirected into this part wherein you'll have to put your payment method in order for you to watch inside the AZN. So if you want to pay through credit card, we're going to click on that and then just put, of course, your card information. And then after you do that, we're going to click on Pay Now. So once you click on Pay Now and it went through successfully, you will now be able to watch Serie A inside their platform, and you can now watch it through your phone, your TV, and even your computer. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.